Yes.
Okay.
Function
Okay,
na.
good person.
Uy, hindi ako.
Walang
Function na ka wala ka na.
Blush.
everybody na.
That was my
Doesn't mean
fault.
anything na.
Yeah, it doesn't mean anything.
The girls. She's done the girls.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that sounds so long. Yeah,
So in other words,
Walang...
She's a kissing machine.
Wala lang may punch kanya.
She's a kissy.
Ang feel mo.
Tayong dalawa na lang nga.
so it would be better if it would be special.
Yeah, of course. Any kiss would be better if it was special.
Open mo naman
Diba?
na marinig. Napaka-simple.
When there's meaning behind the kiss,
Yeah.
it means more than...
Would you like there to be meaning?
Of course, why? Why not?
Kiss of a friend.
Diba? If you're gonna kiss.
Kiss of a friend.
So can you tell that, Chris?
Wala na akong
When you kiss somebody, it should be with feeling and with meaning.
With a string of soul.
Say some person. And you should drink a
Pero para sa kanya, joke lang.
When you kiss.
Diba? Joke lang para sa'yo.
Could you personalize it? Would you like to personalize?
Ako, nag-imagine na lang.
Huh?
Ayoko na.
If you kiss me,
Ano?
I would like to have more feeling.
Okay.
Yeah.
My feelings. You might feel me.
When you kiss me, brush your teeth.
Kapal ng mukha.
Ala, joke.
Or use as
Love
a
you.
specialist.
Okay, so hanggang doon lang.
Uy,
Be
toilet.
safe.
Okay, 4. Tamang ka lang.
Ikaw, 3.
Sweet na si Chris. Sweet na si Chris Manghalak eh.
Oo.
Kahit sa labas na, oo, mga kaibigan. Na-appreciate
Mabait
na
talaga
kung
si Chris.
soft ang lips mo.
But remember, people will take advantage of you.
Alam ko
Outside.
naman po pag take advantage siya po. Ito yung ginawa ni Nyaki isang beses. Pero okay lang po.
Magnanakaw.
Alam ko nung...
But Chris is a good person.
Bawi.
Her kisses is a way of showing love.
Bawi.
And lust. Ay.
Wala ako doon.
Yun. Oh, that's the thing that people may see in you.
Yun nga po.
Hindi yung innocence, kundi yung lust.
Yun po.
Yeah, when you're gifted with a body like that and
She performs It's Raining Men. That's, a different situation.
Yung sila na may...
When you're blessed with a body like that, what?
No, parang you're dubbed as as a slut or what, ganyan. I didn't say she was. I said, in general, girls that are blessed with bodies like that and then they malande and they just kiss whoever, sometimes in conversations, oh my God, she's so easy, ganyan. When she's not, she's just really showing affection in that way.
Okay, so that's good
She can
feedback.
be, she can be,
Pero hindi lahat ganun.
yeah, you can be misjudged, yeah. I just know a lot.
Observe.
Yeah. Lots. Yeah, I'm not saying.
Pero I think I would agree with Iñaki. Siyempre, if somebody's goes around kissing people easily, yun ang isipin ko. Okay.
Yun!
Okay.
I didn't say you were. I said
No, it's okay. Alam ko na
it's
rin.
like a general
perception.
perception. Oh, yeah.
Dub us.
In parties alone, ganun naman.
Okay.
Anywhere actually.
Remember, there's no suggestion there para lang sa awareness mo yan. Whether you want to do something about it or not.
Even if you're in a relationship with someone, and then you're so affectionate, like you keep doing PDA and stuff. Sometimes the girl or the guy can be dubbed as so easy.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang grabe ang easy naman ng girl na yung tingin mo. Parang wala lang magbigay ng halik.
Oh, ako, ganyan kami ah.
Yeah.
Ayan na naman.
Pero kailangan ng hotdog.
Namimiss ko na talaga.
Hindi ba kayo sa kahit sa jeepney?
Ay, hindi po. Joke lang po.
Sa
Dito po.
motorsiklo.
Sakay.
Motorcycle.
Hindi naman.
Mexico.
Oh my God. Grabe naman yun sa mga ganyan. Oh, grabe naman. Grabe to si Harson.
It's so grabe.
It's a lot, di ba?
Si Bali pa yung nagmamaneho. Hindi ba siya nakaangkas?
Hindi
Bicycle moves like that.
kami nagkikis sa
I rode in a tricycle before. Ganun siya.
Dito lang sa
So, bike. Si iba siya nakaangkas.
Okay, anything else you want to say?
No, sir. End the topic.
Scholars, huwag ipitin ang inyong mga lapes. Ano yung mga lapes?
Okay, meron pa ba kayong gustong sabihin tungkol kay Chris?
We love Chris. Yeah.
Okay, just for your awareness.
Tapos hindi man lang ako sinabihang we love Lizel. Oh my God.
No, you already know that we love you so much.
You already know. Next, Miguel.
Akala ko ako.
Yes!
Sir, wait lang kayo
kasi
sa
ako-